Wine Crush Wednesday. I'm Katie Leverett with Hooray, and today we're going to be talking about boxed wine. This is a boxed rosé. It holds about 4 bottles of wine and stays good for 6 weeks. One of the tricks that I love to do with boxed wine is use my SodaStream machine. I don't know if any of you guys have one of these things, but it is an amazing purchase. I think it retails about 70 bucks. They ship it straight to your house, nice and easy. You can do fizzy water. They sell syrups where you can make your own soda, that sort of thing. But one of my most favorite tricks is turning regular old boxed wine rosé into a delicious fizzy rosé. It is such an amazing trick and it's so easy. You fill the bottle up with your favorite wine. It could be white or red even as well. I prefer the rosé. I just think it's very light and fizzy. You take it, you pop it into the machine, lock it into place, and then you have the options of putting like 1, 2, or 3 puffs. I like just 1 puff. I like a light fizz to it. And so what you do is you hold down, and you can see here how fizzy this got. I'm going to let this sit for just a second while I tell you about this rosé. So this boxed rosé, it's a black box. Black box is my most favorite box. I know a lot of people think boxed wine, oh, gross. Or remember like their moms back in the 90s drinking that Franzia or whatever it was. This is totally different. It's a high quality wine that is boxed up. 4 bottles come in here. It stays good for 6 weeks. So if you're the type of person who opens a bottle and maybe has like a glass or 2 and then it ends up going bad in the refrigerator, I don't think me or any of my friends would let that happen. But if you are one of those people, a box wine is a great option for you. I highly suggest black box. I've tried a bunch of them and it's really the best. So when you are making your fizzy wine, do 1 or 2 puffs, but let it sit for a minute before you pull it off because it will fizz out and kind of explode everywhere. But you can pop it off and you'll hear it pop off in just a second. Ooh, it kind of shoots off a little bit, and you can see how nice and fizzy and bubbly that is. And then simply just pour it in your champagne flute, and it is like you have just purchased a fancy sparkling rosé when in reality you bought a $17 box wine. It is delicious. It's fun to serve at parties, but you know what? Don't let it sit for too long. This lasts about a day, so you know, if you're having a party or if you're planning on drinking some fizzy wine on your own, it will kind of go bad by tomorrow. So, but it's Wine Crush Wednesday, and we don't let wine go bad on Wednesdays. So cheers, guys. I hope that you enjoy this tip, and rush out and get a SodaStream if you don't have one. I love it. Thanks, guys.